In today's video, we will be comparing two popular portable laundry solutions, the Aptovpvp Portable Dryer and the LOONGOSTAR 28 LB's Portable Twin Tub Washing Machine. Both products are designed for small spaces, making them ideal for apartments, RVs, and dorms. We will explore their unique features, specifications, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. The Aptovpvp Portable Dryer is designed specifically for drying clothes, offering two drying modes and a compact design. In contrast, the LOONGOSTAR 28 LB's Portable Twin Tub serves as both a washing machine and a spinner, providing a more versatile laundry solution. While the dryer focuses solely on drying, the twin tub allows for washing and spinning in one unit, making it more multifunctional. When it comes to capacity, the LOONGOSTAR washing machine shines with an 18 pounds washing capacity and a 10 pounds spinning capacity, making it suitable for larger loads. On the other hand, the Aptovpvp Portable Dryer has a limited capacity, focusing on smaller loads, which may require more drying cycles for larger items. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your laundry routine, especially in a busy household. The Aptovpvp Portable Dryer offers a straightforward drying process with no need for manual transfers, allowing users to simply load the clothes and set the timer. In contrast, the LOONGOSTAR requires users to manually transfer clothes between the washing and spinning tubs, which can be less convenient. This difference in user experience is crucial for those looking for efficiency in their laundry tasks. In conclusion, both the Aptovpvp Portable Dryer and the LOONGOSTAR 28 LB's Portable Twin Tub Washing Machine offer unique benefits for those in need of portable laundry solutions. If you prioritize a compact and easy-to-use dryer, the Aptovpvp is a great choice. However, if you need a more versatile washing and spinning option with larger capacity, the LOONGOSTAR is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.